Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, last working day of the week, last day of the month. Yeah, it's June the 30th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. Today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars. Back again, yeah, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will do in the evening. Yeah, in the evening, not now. Right now I will start or continue with these two puzzles, the regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. This one will be 6677, yeah, 6677. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 33 printed digits. A lot. Should be easier than a 1-star puzzle. In addition, the 1-star puzzle has 27 printed digits. This one 33. But for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14 or 13 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the one in the last row, the one in the row above. So that row, the only place left with 1 should be there. The one in this third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. And now, how about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row be above. So row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Now. How about the number? Come on. The 3 in this row, the 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Well, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 and then 9. Yeah, 4 and 9. 6, 6. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here, 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So one box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digital 3 number 4. Right. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Yeah, 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with 2 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Wait. Now. 9 and the 5. 9 and 5. How about 9 and the 6? Well, 2 missing numbers in 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, and look, we have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, 5. Alright, 9, 5. 1 number left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 6. Alright. 9 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 5 should be there. Then the 5 and 9, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes, maybe 14, 13 or 12 minutes. In this case, 12 minutes. We solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, heavy Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.